Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin conversations in iMessage. If you want to pin your favorite conversations right to the top so that you never lose tracks again on iMessage on your iPhone, then here is how you can do it. Unlock your iPhone and open up the Messages app from your home page, and then find the conversation you want to pin. This could be a person or a group chat. No matter what, go ahead and select them, press and hold on the conversation and tap on Pin in the pop-up. Now the conversation will be pinned at the top. You can repeat this step for every other conversation you want to pin at the top, and you will be able to see little profile icons or the name initial at the top pinned on your message app. You can pin up to 9 conversations. If you ever want to unpin the chat, long press on the contact and click on Unpin in the pop-up. And that's how you can pin and unpin messages or conversations on iMessage. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.